That kind of participation in this workshop was important to me to know another things beyond my country.
Harvesting, yes, helps to exchange, to learn more with the perspective of people from different regions, from different departments.
As a national advocacy advisor, really every day I try to have a voice of the children and family needs and to lobby for their rights. And I try to convince every person, every stakeholders and colleagues in order to get more and more support and also to enable that our children will enjoy their rights as they have by convention and by humanity.
I think one of the things that gives strength can be proper supervision and also proper mentorship. Because if you are given proper feedback, you will know where you are not doing well, and in going forward, you will be able to fix your mistakes.
I think I would like to see more integration, to develop more skills of all co-workers, all SOS co-workers. I think we should to invest in people in order to get more quality of care to each child.
I think SOS should maintain the quality of our care, because this is our core business and we should build on this strength.
Transparency in your daily work is really, really important, and you know that all that you are doing is clear. You are free to do anything. You know you are not doing anything that you don't have any knowledge about. If there is common understanding, I think anything is possible.
I think it's support from our seniors and from our juniors also, it works well.
The teamwork that I'm seeing, we have strong team spirit where everyone is able to support the next whenever there is a need. There is no time where you find that a person is left to drown in a certain activity because other people are saying it's his or her duty to do it.